Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bernie from ZKRM and our channel is all about our movement from Ireland to San Carlos City, Philippines. Stay tuned.
Hello, my name is Bernie and I'm a musician, songwriter and producer.
Hello everybody, just call me Cheche for short.
So, what can you expect from our channel? Well, we are living very close to the ocean. We are filming around the ocean, the beaches and the old churches and the shopping days for my wife. Yeah, and we are going to film until the end when you're ready to pack our stuff to move to the Philippines for good. So, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because you will get an update on a weekly basis and that you can see what's going on, how we are progressing with our movement. Okay, thank you very much and stay safe.